light kissing my face. Trouble tried to follow, but it lost the race. The breeze whispers calm while the trees sway slow. Where my worries at, I don't even know. Burn down distress, let it fade away. Ashes to the wind, no need to stay. Burn down distress, let the fire glow. Freedom in the flame as the good vibes flow. The ocean hums a song that heals my mind. Every ripple a reminder to leave pain behind. Feet in the sand where the cool waves meet. Heartbeats sing to the reggae beat. So light it up and watch it rise. Smoke a piece under blue skies. Burn down the stress, let it fade away. Ashes to the wind, no need to stay. Burn down the stress, let the fire glow. Freedom in the flame as the good vibes flow. It's not the weight you carry, but how you let it go. Like clouds that drift and rain that flows. A little love, a little rhythm, a little sway turns the darkest night into a brighter day. Let it fade away. Ashes to the wind, no need to stay. Burn down distress, let the fire glow. Freedom in the flame as the good vibes flow. Not the weight you carry, but how you let it go. Like clouds that drift and rain that flows. A little love, a little rhythm, a little sway turns the darkest night into a brighter day. Sound. Every step a wave, every breath profound. Floating, grounded, my soul's in between. The roots are deep, but the clouds call me serene. Chase a dream. The sun's a painter, splashing gold on my face. The breeze is a dancer, moving in its own grace. I'm a feather in the wind, still tied to my place. The ocean's a teacher, the mountains they preach. Balance is the lesson within reach. Floating, grounded, that's the speech. Floating, grounded, my soul's in between. The roots chase a dream. The stars light my way, but the soil holds my feet. And this rhythm of life is where I meet. Floating, grounded, the bitter and sweet. Light my way, but the soil holds my feet. In this rhythm of life, it's where I meet. Floating, grounded, the bitter and sweet. Low where the ocean meets the sky. I hear the wind whisper secrets passing by. Feet in the sand, feel the heartbeat of the land. Higher than time, higher than space, lost in the rhythm of the sacred place. Higher than time, feel the world unwind. The stars peek out while the moon begins to rise. A gentle beat like the pulse of ancient tides. Hands to the heavens, chasing dreams we can't define. The night it calls, the night it falls, and we stand tall. Higher than time, higher than space, lost in the rhythm of this sacred place. Higher than time, feel the world unwind. Echoes of laughter drift through the air. Moments like these are rare beyond compare. Hold it close, let it glow, let it take you there. Higher than time, higher than space, lost in the rhythm of this sacred place. Higher than time, feel the world unwind. Echoes of laughter drift through the air. Moments like these are rare beyond compare. Hold it close, let it glow, let it take you there. sounds of laughter drift through the air. Moments like these are rare beyond compare. Hold it close, let it glow, let it take you there. Sip the sky with a bottle in hand. A warm breeze whispers like it's part of the band. Palm trees swaying like they understand. Reggae drum, feel it in my soul. Let it pour, let it flow, let it make me whole. Reggae drum, take me where I wanna go. Golden sun melting into the sea. Every wave hums the harmony. Life tastes sweeter when it's wild and free. And the stars wink back at me like they know my melody. Reggae rum, feel it in my soul. Let it pour, let it flow, let it make me whole. Reggae rum, take me where I wanna go. Raise your glass high to the moonlight glow. Feel the rhythm rise, let the worries go. In this moment here, we own the show. Reggae rum, feel it in my soul. Let it pour, let it flow, let it make me whole. Reggae rum, take me where I wanna go. Raise your glass high to the moonlight glow. Feel the rhythm rise, let the worries go. In this moment, here we own the show. easy, lost, unbound. Heartbeats echo, spliff and sound. Spliff and sound, it wraps me tight. Smoke curls up into the night. Spliff and sound, my soul takes flight. Spliff and sound, it wraps me tight. Smoke curls up into the night. Then spliff and sound, my soul takes flight. Slips through the cracks of my hand. No ticking, no clicking, no grand plan. The sun just sways like it understands. Unclocked, we're free to breathe. Unclocked, no chains beneath. Every moment's ours to weave. Waves hum low, whispering slow. The breeze says things only we know. Let the hours melt, let the rhythm flow. Who said life's a race? Who said there's a line? We're chasing the moon, it's chasing time. Unclocked, unbound, no design. Unclocked, we're free to breathe. Unclocked, no chains beneath. Every moment's ours to weave. Let's lose the minutes, let's lose the grind. In this space where clocks